Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this kit from Lisle. This is a master line stopper set. So this is designed to help stop lines that contain automotive fluids that you may use. And so this is a rather complete master kit that comes with a variety of devices and, this is importantly from my perspective, a case to hold all the parts in. One thing I've got to give Lisle credit for on this case here is this case actually has proper latching buckles there, and on the back side it actually has a proper hinge mechanism that does not rely on this flexible bendable plastic, and so this case should last actually for quite a while. So if we open up the case, you can see we've got a handful of options. So we've got, starting here on the right, we've got, even with the little clasps here, just a simple pliers style clamps. You go around and squeeze it, and then that'll squeeze off the line, tightening that off, and then you can lock it into place by pulling back this little clip. And so we've got a couple sizes of those, and a small and a large. On the left side over here, we've got kind of like a little spring clamp where you've got a ring here, then you fit one end of your hose over here, run this through the other side, that'll bite in, then this will squeeze right in to help seal that off. So we've got 4 of these. These are just slightly different size openings here for different hose sizes. You can see here this is actually blunt on both ends, and that's blunt on one end with a wider opening. And then we've got a variety of these other plug sizes here. This is like a yellow, like a neoprene rubber. You can either use to either put caps onto an engine, say an exhaust port, on a engine block or other lines that you might need to seal off if you're removing other parts or pumps, and just to help prevent any oil leaks or contaminants getting in. And so it's got this little tray here that you could remove that contains these yellow plugs. Now to go with this and augment this, I also picked up this little kit here. This is an Otc plug set here that's also yellow, and these are solid. So let's see what you get here. So this Lisle kit here runs just slightly over $100. These are about 10 or 15 bucks. I'll put some links below if you're interested in these. These OTC ones are made in Taiwan, and the Lisle kit here is made in USA of Global Components. And so if we look at these OTC plugs, you can see we've got some plugs of various sizes. Let me try to sort these out here. So we got about 3 different sizes of plugs here from OTC. These have a nice little finger grip that you can use to be able to grab them. And they're yellow, so hopefully they stand out that you don't leave these in, because if you leave these in, that obviously means you've got an open line. And then this is just another way of trying to plug up in case the stepped Lisle plugs here aren't quite right between the steps, or you don't have enough line to plug it into. I might be able to give these a try. Again, I'd rather have a whole wider range of these and a set of options rather than getting myself into a bind and not having the correct options or enough of the right size to get something plugged up when I go to remove it. You know, say you need to replace a turbo in a car, or remove some turbo lines, you got oil lines you need to plug so they're not dripping all over the floor. This is the perfect way to do it. And so then I'll just take these and drop them right here into my Lisle case. You'd never know they didn't come as part of it. They're almost the same color. And then now I've got a even more complete set of stoppers. You can also find these or other sizes of these types of stoppers available that are theoretically intended for spray painters if you need to be able to plug up orifices and stuff you're going to paint. I'll put a couple links to some of those below that maybe you'd find useful as other alternatives to these. Those are a little bit cheaper, but these provide options to be able to cap the outside of the line, clamp it off, plug it off, and give a variety of options to prevent leaks and spills, keep everything nice and clean. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting, and have a great day. Bye.